Yep, in today's video, we are going to make the same game in two game engines. Let's get started. Wait, you don't know what Scratch is? Well, same here.
So let's quickly go on to Google and search what it is.
So basically, Scratch is the world's largest coding community for children and a coding language with simple visuals interface that allows young people to create digital stories, games, animations. Yeah. So without wasting any more time, let's make our first game in Scratch. Before we start doing the game, let's talk about the game plan. So this is you. So there will be random rocks falling from the sky, and if it somehow touches the player, you die. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first I programmed the rock to whenever it touches the ground, it goes back up again and starts again. And again, for some reason, I did not like the way it went, so I removed the code and made a new one, of course. Then I quickly programmed the player movement script, and after a bit more programming, we were done. And here's the final product. In a total, this game is like a 8.5 out of 10. Now let's make the game in Unity and yeah, let's compare them. So first I made the player movement and yeah, that's looking very good. Then I programmed the falling rock and yeah, that looks like it's working. So after a bit more of programming and changing the sprites and making the starting and end screen, yeah, here's the final product. Even though it looked like I made it in 5 seconds, it took me about 1 hour. Yeah, and I definitely submitted this project to one of the game jams which I joined. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, smash the like button and yeah, comment down which game engine won. See you all in the next one.